Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing the app and power, cycling your streaming device so temporary glitches clear. You want a fresh session. Next, confirm your connection type because Ethernet is more stable than Wi-Fi, and 5 GHz usually beats 4 GHz for throughput. Once done, run a quick speed test and pause other downloads or streams. This frees bandwidth and reduces packet loss, which is often the real cause of buffering rather than the app itself. Now you optimize the network so packets reach the device reliably. If Wi-Fi is weak, reposition the router, change to a less crowded channel, or use a mesh node. These reduce interference and retransmissions. Then adjust your router's COS to prioritize streaming traffic or reserve a small bandwidth buffer to prevent spikes from killing playback. Meanwhile, lower YouTube TV's playback quality to 720p or allow adaptive stream. Finish by eliminating software problems. Update the app and device firmware, and if issues persist, reinstall the app to clear corrupted files. If buffering continues, switch to another device or a browser to determine whether the issue is device-specific or network-wide. This isolates the fault quickly. If network problems remain, gather evidence, timestamps and speed tests, and contact your ISP or YouTube TV support so they can trace packet loss or server issues. This saves time and leads to a resolution faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.